snow so smooth and wide, with earmuffs pink and skates so blue. She raced the wind and the snowflakes too. She giggled past seals and waved at whales, spinning through icy crystal trails. She built a castle from blocks of ice and crowned herself with snowflake spice. She juggled fish on frosty toes and twirled around where the cold wind blows. She made snow angels with wings so neat, then sipped cocoa with marshmallow feet. At dusk she watched the stars unfold, wrapped in a scarf with threads of gold. She whispered, "Let's skate to the moon one day," and dreamed of stars that led the way.